Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Kids. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing and the working of this Cockatoo-Kids Buzzy ride swing car. And these are the contents: the main swing car along with the handle and the front wheel and the other accessories to assemble this. So the user preferably bought this for a girl kid, so they choose it to go for pink color, which is pretty attractive when it comes to design and looks. And this is the accessory you need to use it for tightening the screws provided. So anyways, in the upcoming video, user has shown you assembling, and this is the assembling guide: step 1, step 2, step 3. Likewise, you need to read this manual for the assembling of the semi assembled car. You can say this is not fully assembled, but you need to fix this handle rod and the front wheel also. So these things you need to assemble it. So if possible, let us check that. See, this is the rod you need to insert in the front part to fix the handle and also the bottom wheel, the front wheel, you can say. Yeah, this is on the top. When you, yeah, you need to insert the second also, the second rod where you will have the screw to tighten this. Yeah, the screw you need to tighten to this one. So just you need to try to insert this, yeah, from top to bottom, so that when you invert this swing car, when you invert this, yeah, here you need to fix this front wheel. Yeah, now you can use that bolt to tighten this. Yeah, there is also one more plastic sort of thing where you can use this to tighten that screw. Yeah, tighten it properly as kids will be playing, and it is always recommended for the parent assistant when kids are playing this. And this is the top part which is fixing the handle now. Yeah, and I'll also show you the price details in online where the user has purchased this. Yeah, this is the covering clip, and all the body material is of heavy built plastic, and the build quality is pretty good and looking very premium with a reasonable price. Coming to the online details, this is on the Amazon site, and it is for 999, means 1000 rupees, you can say, and it can hold up to 25 kgs, you can say. Ideally good for 1 to 3 years kids. Yeah, there are some more details like this is durably built and well designed swing car, you can say. These are the other details. If possible, I may drop this link in the description, and I checked few other products, maybe I can attach in the view products. Yeah, and the rating also, it's got like 4.3, I guess. Yeah, good rating. And the overall weight of this swing car is 2 kgs and 600 grams, and as I said, the body material is plastic, solid plastic. Yeah, batteries are for the music system. Yeah, the color is pink. Manufacturer recommended age 12 months to like 36 months, which is 1 to 3 years old kids. Maximum of 25 kilo weight. Yeah, coming back to the video, we'll see the final look of the assembled swing car, you can say. You can observe the premium looks, which are pretty good at 999 budget or the cost. This looking pretty premium. And please, if you do want a review video on this product, please do ask in the comments something like review, so that after using it for like 1 or 2 months, maybe I can post another video on this, the genuine user review video, how they are feeling about this video. And please do comment your opinions on this video about the build quality or about the product. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.